Hi there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of the world around us. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of modern landfills. These aren't just your average dumps, they're marvels of engineering and science. You might think they're just big piles of trash, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Modern landfills are meticulously designed to handle waste in the most efficient and environmentally friendly way possible. These landfills are actually complex engineered systems designed to manage our waste safely and responsibly. Engineers and scientists work together to ensure that these sites are both effective and sustainable. Think of a modern landfill like a giant, carefully constructed cake. Each layer has a specific role to play in the overall structure. Just like a cake has layers of deliciousness, a landfill has layers with specific functions. These layers include liners, drainage systems, and protective covers. These layers work together to protect the environment and our health. They prevent harmful substances from leaking into the soil and groundwater. Pretty cool, right? So buckle up as we explore the science behind these incredible feats of engineering. We'll look at how landfills are constructed, maintained, and monitored. We'll uncover the secrets beneath the surface and discover how landfills help us deal with our trash while minimizing harm to the environment. From the initial design to the final cover, every step is crucial. Let's dig in. We start our journey at the very bottom of a modern landfill. This is where the foundation of waste management begins, and it's more complex than you might think. The first layer is typically made of compacted clay. This clay is meticulously compacted to create a dense, impermeable barrier. This natural material acts as a barrier, preventing any liquids from escaping into the surrounding soil and groundwater. It's the first line of defense in protecting the environment. On top of the clay, engineers add a thick, flexible liner made from high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. This liner is crucial for ensuring that no harmful substances seep out. Think of it as a giant waterproof bathtub. This liner is designed to be incredibly durable and resistant to punctures. This liner provides an extra layer of protection to keep harmful substances contained within the landfill. It's a critical component in modern waste management. Next comes a layer of gravel and a network of pipes. This layer is essential for managing the liquids that accumulate in the landfill. These pipes are crucial for collecting leachate, the liquid that forms as rainwater percolates through the waste. Leachate can be highly toxic, so it's vital to manage it properly. We'll talk more about leachate and its treatment later. For now, just know that this system is designed to capture and treat these potentially harmful liquids. Finally, we reach the top layer where the garbage is actually deposited. This is where the waste we produce every day ends up. This layer is carefully compacted and covered with soil daily to minimize odors, prevent pests, and control litter. It's a continuous process that ensures the landfill operates efficiently and safely. As mentioned earlier, rainwater seeps through the waste, creating a liquid called leachate. This leachate can be quite nasty, containing dissolved pollutants and heavy metals. That's why it's crucial to collect and treat it properly. Remember those pipes we talked about in the previous section? They play a vital role in this process. The leachate flows through these pipes and is collected in a series of storage tanks. From there, the leachate undergoes various treatment processes to remove contaminants. These processes can include filtration, biological treatment, and chemical treatment. The goal is to purify the leachate to a point where it can be safely discharged into a wastewater treatment plant or even reused for irrigation. Here's a fun fact. As organic waste decomposes in a landfill, it produces a significant amount of methane gas. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, so releasing it directly into the atmosphere would be bad news for the environment. Fortunately, engineers have found a way to capture this gas and put it to good use. Using a system of vertical wells and horizontal pipes, they collect the methane gas from within the landfill. This collected gas can then be used to generate electricity, heat homes, or even power vehicles. Talk about turning trash into treasure. By capturing and utilizing methane, landfills can actually become sources of renewable energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Section 5, leachate, the toxic soup and how we treat it. Leachate, that liquid formed in landfills, is quite a problem. It's a cocktail of harmful substances leached from the decomposing garbage. We're talking heavy metals, ammonia and other nasty chemicals. Ignoring leachate is not an option. If it escapes into the environment, it can contaminate soil and groundwater, posing serious risks to both human health and ecosystems. To prevent this, landfills employ various treatment methods. These can range from simple sedimentation to remove solids to more advanced techniques like reverse osmosis and activated carbon filtration. The goal is to remove as many contaminants as possible, making the leachate safe for disposal or reuse. Section 6. Keeping watch, long-term monitoring of landfills. Even after a landfill is full and capped, the work isn't over. Continuous monitoring is crucial to ensure that the engineered systems are functioning correctly and the environment is protected. This involves regularly checking the groundwater for signs of contamination, monitoring the gas collection system for leaks, and inspecting the landfill cap for any damage. Data from these monitoring activities helps engineers identify potential issues early on. This allows them to take corrective actions promptly, preventing any negative impacts on the environment and human health. Remember, with landfills, it's all about being proactive and staying vigilant. Section 7. From trash to treasure, repurposing closed landfills. When a landfill reaches its capacity, it's closed and capped, but that doesn't mean the land is useless. In fact, closed landfills can be transformed into valuable community assets. One popular option is to turn them into parks and recreational areas. With careful planning and landscaping, these former wastelands can be transformed into green spaces for people to enjoy. Another innovative use for closed landfills is to install solar panels and create solar farms. This not only generates clean energy but also utilizes land that would otherwise be unusable. Talk about a win-win situation. Section 8. Landfills and the future, challenges and opportunities. As our population grows and consumption patterns change, the way we manage waste will continue to evolve. Landfills will likely remain a part of the waste management equation for the foreseeable future. However, there are challenges to address. We need to reduce our reliance on landfills by promoting waste reduction, reuse and recycling. We also need to explore innovative landfill technologies that minimize environmental impacts and improve resource recovery. Despite the challenges, there are also exciting opportunities. We can continue to develop new ways to harness energy from landfills, such as biogas production and waste-to-energy conversion technologies. By embracing innovation and sustainable practices, we can ensure that landfills play a responsible role in our future. Section 9. Conclusion. Landfills, a necessary part of our world. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the intricate world of landfills. Landfills are much more than just holes in the ground. They are sophisticated systems designed to handle our waste efficiently. They are complex engineering marvels designed to manage our waste responsibly and protect the environment. From the initial planning stages to the final capping, every step is meticulously thought out. From the layered liner systems to the gas collection and leachate treatment processes, these facilities are built with precision. Every aspect of a modern landfill serves a purpose. The workers, the machinery, and the technology all come together to ensure that waste is managed in the safest way possible. While it's crucial to reduce our waste generation through recycling and other sustainable practices, we must also recognize the indispensable role of landfills. Landfills will continue to play a vital role in our society. They're not just a last resort, but a necessary component of our waste management strategy. By understanding the science and engineering behind these facilities, we can appreciate the important role they play in protecting our planet. We can see how they help in minimizing the environmental impact of our waste. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we learn about landfills and waste management, the